Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the quill stem and marking insertion depth with a visible line. That preserves alignment later. Next, use the correct hex key, typically 6 mm, and back the expander bolt out 3 to 5 turns, then tap the bolt head gently to free the wedge. Once the wedge is loose, remove the top cap and carefully pull the stem out while retaining spacers and shims. This keeps orientation and prevents damage to the steerer tube. With the new quill stem ready, clean the steerer interior and stem shaft. A light coat of grease prevents corrosion and eases future removal. Insert the stem to the marked depth and align it with the front wheel. Hold the handlebars steady so the angle stays consistent. Tighten the expander bolt in short increments until you reach a moderate torque, around 5 to 8 Nm, while checking that the headset preload is correct and there's no play. Once snug, confirm brake and shifter routing remain unobstructed. Finish by verifying the quill insertion depth. Only trim if necessary and keep at least 2 to 3 centimeters inside the steerer for safety. If you hear creaks or notice play, stop, loosen the bolt, pull the stem slightly, reapply grease to the wedge and inner shaft, then reinsert and retorque to spec. Small misalignment causes noise. Once tightened, perform a short test ride, checking steering smoothness and brake response. If anything feels off, readjust rather than pushing through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.